Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RV English Classes. This video is a tribute to legendary Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. उठो, जगो और तब तक रुको नहीं जब तक लक्ष्य प्राप्त ना हो जाए. Yes, today on the occasion of National Youth Day, which remarks birthday of Swami Vivekananda, we shall discuss about his life and work. Before that, let's have a glance of some famous quote by Swami Vivekananda. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. जब तक आप स्वयं पर विश्वास नहीं करते, आप भगवान पर विश्वास नहीं कर सकते. A strength is life, weakness is death. ताकत में जीवन है और कमजोरी में हार. In a day when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling in a wrong path. Be a hero, always say, I have no fear. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Now, I'll tell you about National Youth Day as well as Swami Vivekananda. National Youth Day is celebrated every year to remember Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th January 1863 in Calcutta. His real name was Narendranath. He was from a highly educated family and was a gifted child with high thinking, an intelligent mind and a strong willpower. He constructed and established a group of preachers and saints to help the needy, weak and miserable. He was the greatest disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa and dedicated his life to humanity. His speech at the Parliament of World Religion, Chicago on 11th September 1893 is famous even today. My dear friends, his name was written in golden letter in the history of India. He was a role model not only for our country but to the whole world. His popular quote is faith in ourselves and faith in God. This is the secret of greatness. National Youth Day is also known as Yuva Divas, and it aims to create awareness and knowledge about the right and roles of youth in India. If the world was guided by youth, it would be a better place. They are the ones who are most alive, idealistic and energetic. Unfortunately, Swami Vivekananda was passed away on 4th July 1902. In 1985, the Government of India declared Swami Vivekananda's birthday, January 12, as National Youth Day in honor of the great philosopher and monk. Since 1985, this day is celebrated as National Youth Day all over India. As we observe National Youth Day on Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary, let's remember him and his teaching and great work that changed our lives for good. I wish all my students a very bright future. Thanks for watching my video. यदि आप चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाले वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एवरीवन.